Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Robert in Washington State on the new Ranger RCI-69FFB4. Robert got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment. She's a mean machine and ready to go. Let's start by turning the RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. About 20 watts all the way down. Roll it all the way up. Right at 125. Show you average power swing. Hello. 225 bird average. 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello. 500 in the corner. So roll the RF power all the way down. Hello. 500 in the corner. Go to sideband. Hello. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So about 360 all the way down. Roll it all the way up. Oh, just a hair under 500. Alrighty, Robert. It's ready to go, bud. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.